Hello everybody, at Harbor Freight. I bought this Bauer screwdriver, heavy duty, guarantee whatever, hammer, screwdriver hammer. And the reason I bought this, I needed to dig some hole to do this. I was going to do get a backhoe. I wanted it over $1,000 by the time I got done with it. I'm a retired guy and I don't have that much money, so I decided, heck, what's $100 and some bucks for one of them? So we'll test it. This is the rock, leach line, bedrock, and everything. This is how deep I went. It makes a good scraper for the dirt. It's real hard. Here's a tank on it. This is what I done. This took me 2 weeks now. I didn't do it overnight. Because you got to shovel by hand. You got to dig, shovel, and I'm putting a leach line in. So, I'm real happy with the Harbor Freight tool. There it is right there. I did have to sharpen a little bit. I'm not using the pointer because it seemed like every time I use the point, it always gets stuck on anything. So I've been using this blade here. I sharpened it a couple times, just sharpened it this morning. So it's not bad. Well, Harbor Freight, they did it again. I did buy some stuff that we're not too happy with, but that's a different story there, and I don't want to mention the ups and downs. That's the chance you get when you buy discount tools. I've been buying tools for all my life, and I know what it is, so if they're not too expensive, I'll give it a try. So good luck everybody, enjoy the video.